Hi, I'm Ilya from Bitskout, and in this short video I wanted to show you how we convert this piece of paper, which is a business card, into our superpowers by using just 4 tools and maximum 30 minutes of our time. So what we're gonna do is the following. We will create a incoming leads queue in real time. The point is that whenever you have a team, you go to an event, you collect business cards, or you go to any meeting and you get a business card. If you establish a process where somebody just takes a photo of the business card and loads it into a form, or if you use Dropbox, load it in Dropbox, then you will create a system where all over your teams, the leads are coming into the same place. Okay, and this is what this table looks like. And then we're gonna do 3 things. Number 1 is using the company name and the position, we're gonna categorize this lead. Is it our target or not? Is it an elephant based on account name or not? This is required so you yourself can understand which resources to move to target to that lead, so you don't spread it out. Okay, and you're gonna do that by using Bitskout plugin custom categorization. And then what we're gonna do is, because we know the lead and we know what is the category and the position, we're also gonna understand what is the org unit, and based on that we're gonna send ourselves or to the BDR who submitted the photo the list of topics to discuss. You can also discuss not only send the list of topics to discuss based on what you sell. We sell productivity, so this is what we discussion topics about productivity. But if you sell cloud, you can convert that, and we're gonna use openAI for that. And our scenario at the end, what we're trying to achieve is to build a dashboard. And using that dashboard, you can do really powerful things. As a leader, you can see what is going on. You can create new charts. You can create charts per company, per BDR, per event, and see that all in real time. And the way it works is, first of all, we have a file in Dropbox. Okay. So let me get the information from a business card and then create a plugin that categorizes these every company has a certain ICP and target, and in this case what you can do is you can categorize based on that. You can categorize the person company name and position, whether it's your target or not. Sometimes this is called rabbits and elephants and deers based on the account size. Okay, so if you are a small startup targeting smaller customers, that you should focus on rabbits. The way it's done is you type a company name, let's say VP of Engineering, and give it a label, let's say target. And then you add somebody else, let's say the same, Apple procurement specialist, no target. Okay, and then you add a couple of more examples based on your ICP. It's what you decide, not what we decide. Let's say Microsoft head of IT, and let's say it's a target. So you sell, let's say, cloud solutions. Okay, and you create this plugin, and this plugin will allow you to classify based on this information. Okay, test categorization. Okay, now we have it, and here it is. Let's test it. Let's say Oracle supply chain manager, and this is one of the ways to classify the lead. So this is not a target for us. Okay, so this is the information from a business card, and what we're gonna do is then we're gonna do some categorization. And the last step is creating a task in ClickUp, and then importantly sending a prompt to openAI. So openAI works in a very simple manner. So you create a prompt and task, and then you add parameters to this task and the system can give you an output. So in this case we are given a task, at least top 3. Let's change security challenges to a person from a company that they can face. Okay, and what will OpenAI do? Will generate those topics to discuss. Again, in your case it can be something else. It can be a list of materials targeted for that person. It can be a list of use case studies, etc. So you can create tranches of materials, or you can create folders, and you can per position and a company and a lead. Basically allows you to configure this as you want, and it builds a standardization across all the processes that you have. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to send ourselves a message, and that's it. Okay, as you can see, it's a little bit different, but it allows us to now start a discussion, and basically you receive it on your mobile phone when you're in a call, or you'll receive a link to relevant materials that you can start discussing with. This automation can be built in practically 30 minutes, and you can go from not having any visibility of what's going on to having visibility of everything that is happening in your team regarding the leads and etc. in one dashboard. So this is how it works. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to help you. Thanks a lot.